Do you know, the Center of Marine and Coastal Mapping, or PPKLP, is one of the institutions in the Geospatial Information Agency, or BIG, tasked with conducting basic surveys and mapping for elements of geospatial data and basic marine and coastal environmental geospatial information across Indonesia. PPKLP is responsible for providing base maps, including land and sea maps that are now integrated in the Indonesia Topographic Map, or RBI, throughout Indonesia. So, why do the seas and coastal environment need to be surveyed? As an archipelago, 2/3 of Indonesia's territory is the sea. Indonesia is also one of the countries with the world's longest coastline. Therefore, basic marine mapping is useful for conservation and natural resources, cruise navigation, state sovereignty, territory planning, and etc. Then, what methods do PPKLP use for seabed mapping? Basically, in order to do accurate seabed mapping, PPKLP use 3 types of methods, namely 1. Light detection and ranging, or LiDAR, is a technique for detecting and measuring objects on the Earth's surface that uses the principle of laser light reflection. LiDAR uses light to identify objects that are transmitted into LiDAR coordinates used on the shoreline. 2. The Unmanned Surface Vehicle, or USV, is an unmanned vehicle operated on the surface of the shallow water. As for satellite-derived bathymetry, or SDB, is defined as one of the methods used to obtain bathymetry data using optical satellite image data sources. Both methods are used in shallow waters unreachable by large vessels. 3. The Multibeam Echo Sounder, or MBES, is a sonar emitting device used to obtain topographic images of the bottom of the seabed, or sounding, and hydrographic surveys. MBES is installed on survey ships for seabed mapping to get a 3D model of the seabed. Then, what are the results of mapping look like? All mapping methods will be processed into data in object points before processed into an Indonesia Topographic Map, or RBI. The RBI is a basic map that provides information specifically for land and sea area. The basic map and RBI results are published through tanahair.indonesia.go.id. Anyone can access the site, be it academics, researchers, government, private, practitioners, students, and etc. Those who are still curious, let us go to the BIG to get the results of mapping and other related data.